Making money online doesn't have to be complicated. If you could skip the stress, avoid the tech headaches, and start earning commissions on autopilot with affiliate automation simplified. It's never been easier to turn affiliate marketing into a steady income stream. This system was designed for people who want results without wasting time. Whether you're a total beginner or looking to scale your affiliate marketing business. Affiliate Automation Simplified does all the heavy lifting for you. Think of it as your shortcut to success. Here's how it works. Set up in minutes, follow our easy instructions to get started, no technical experience needed, automate everything. The system handles your sales funnels, email follow-ups, and tracking while you relax. Earn consistently. Once you set up the system, it keeps running for you 24/7, earning your commissions while you focus on other things. Affiliate Automation Simplified isn't just easy, it's powerful. Here's why I love it. Proven funnels done through your templates that convert leads into sales. Hands-free follow-up. The system is trust to build trust with your followers or audience and closes the sales for you. Real-time tracking. Take control to read and analytics and showing your growth. Time and freedom. Spend less time working on your business and living more time with freedom and having more time. It's everything you need to succeed packaged into one simple system. If you're tired of wasting time and you want a smarter way to succeed in affiliate marketing automation simplified is your answer. It's fast and easy and it works for you. Click the link below to get started and start your journey today. Don't wait, your shortcut to success is just a few clicks away. Affiliate Automation Simplified. Get started today.